Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a keyboard and Hamile wireless keyboard and mouse combo. So we're gonna give this thing a try. See how this is. Okay, we got it out of the box. Box over here. So we've got a wire here, and it looks like we've got a converter for USB-C to USB. And then that's just so that's just for that. We have our mouse over here. So it's kind of an ergonomic mouse. So that's kind of cool. I guess this is the receiver. Yes, it says it's the receiver. So that is what I need to plug in to my computer. So let me just plug it into my dock. I don't know if my dock's plugged in. I guess we'll see in a minute. Does anything? Okay. And then we have our keyboard here. So by that wire, I'm going to assume it is rechargeable somehow. That's cool. Okay, so that's what it looks like here. Oh, that's cool. It's got a little place here so you can put your iPad or something like that in there. Nice. Oh, and you can store the little receiver piece in there too. Pretty cool. It has feet, so that's good too. Got everything. We have, I guess, our on-off button here, and that's our charging port. On right there. So let's see how we're going to connect this up. Probably going to have to pair this to our computer somehow. On. Is it paired? Oh, there it is. Okay, so it's working because it has the little chip in it, I guess. So that's it. So now I can show you what we've got. So this is my computer here. I have just something here. Yep, so this is working here. If I go in here and do hello there, works fine. Let's see, what else can we do on here? Are there lights or anything on this? It looks like it might light up the way it has. Okay, I figured out the lights here. So you hit the function key and then the del, and that turns it on. And then I think this is gonna be the brightness, and that changes the colors. So there you go. So that's our different options there. So I can go function home to change the color. Ooh, it's changing there. That's pretty sweet. So that's how it works. Very cool. I like it. Thumbs up.